Major, you wanted to see if I could lift you up there and you can get that one way up there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, wait. Hang on. You can get that one. You got it?
Yeah.
There you go. This little guy wanted to collect some more, so we had to come back out. All right, there's good ones on the ground that fell from last night's storm. You just gotta look at them. Yep. See, you're tripping on them. There's so many. Yeah, that's not a good one. Olaf was chomping on that one. Throw it. Whoa. And hopefully that'll plant another pear tree over there. There you go. Yeah. Let's see if I can lift you up to this one way up here. Come here. Ready? See that one way up there? Yeah. Okay. You able to get it? Yep. Go show the camera. Are you my new fruit picker? Yeah. Yeah? She keeps tripping on them. There's so many. Wow, that one was way up there. Yep. There's a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
Is that one? Oh, look at this big guy. That's heavy?
Yep.
All right, are you happy now?
Yep.
You got your pears?
Yep.
Okay. You must really want that jam. What are you screaming at, Chungus? Huh? I gave him some pears. Chungy.
Oh, yep.
All right, let's head. All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to go ahead and start making our pear liqueur. It's really simple, quick and easy, and I'll go through the steps and show you how. Obviously you need pears, you need whatever type of vodka you want to use, and then sugar, and then a knife just to cut everything up with. So let's go ahead and we'll start cutting some pears up, and we're going to do 3 cups of pears for these half-gallon jars here, and this is what we're going to be using. Kind of similar to my other video where I did the cranberry liqueur. So, all right, let's get started. All right. You can tell my son already took a bite out of this pear. So, I think this is his pear. I think that's what he was trying to say. We'll set that off to the side. Another thing we're going to do is with the cores and the scraps, we're going to go ahead and use that to make our pear vinegar. That'll be a separate video, but I'll put the link at the end so you guys can watch that. And yet, we actually use the apple cider vinegar that we made. We use what they call the mother vinegar from that to start the pear cider vinegar. So, all right, let's go ahead and start chopping some of these up and get them in there. So we need about 3 cups. And just chop up these little ones first. All right, and nothing's gonna go to waste. We're gonna use the cores and the scraps to go ahead and make the cider vinegar.
Mommy?
So we'll put them in this jar here. Hey Major, come here. Did you take a bite out of one of these pears? This big guy right here? Yeah, I know you did. Okay, so roughly about 2 cups there. Go ahead and put them in here. Let's get one more. Some funky pears. All right. So we got roughly about 3 cups of pears in there. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. Just using regular granulated sugar. I'm gonna have to grab my other sugar bag. These are 1/2 cups. So we got 1 cup in there right now. There we go. There's 1.5. And then 2. And it seems like a lot because it is. Liqueur is supposed to be a lot more sugary. It's not supposed to be really tart. It's going to take the flavor of the pears and the sugar, and it's actually going to be really nice. Now we need to add 1 cup of water. And now we're going to add 2.5 cups of vodka. There's a 1 cupper. And like I said, you could use any type of vodka you want. And our half cup. All right. And a little splash. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our cap on here. Actually, I clean this off so the sugar's not on there. And now we're gonna take this and shake it up here. And what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and each day you're going to shake this until you see the sugar dissolved. And then you're going to let it sit for about 1 month. And then you'll be able to enjoy it. All right, and this will be your final product. This is one that I've had. And you can see all the sugar's melted. And it's nice and clear. And you can see the pears in there. And this stuff tastes delicious. So there you go. We made a big batch this time. That way we'll have a lot more. But you can make it any size you want. Just cut the ingredients on it. So, all right. That's how you make pear liqueur. Very simple and easy. So I hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.